I'd like to introduce everybody on the webinar to Sylvia. Sylvia Hans is from Goldenore, and Sylvia, are you out there? There we go. Started screen sharing. Thanks so much for joining us today. By way of introduction, I just want to let the North America audience know that Goldenore has been a longtime partner of ours in Europe, doing many GoldenGate and Stream Analytics projects over the years, many years actually. And you're now, I think, just recently opening a New York office to begin addressing the US and Canada markets. Is that right?
Yeah, that's correct. Thank you so much for the introduction, Jeff. So I'm going to take over with my presentation. Today I have 4 cases. They are very diverse and they showcase the versatility of GoldenGate as a tool. But first, let me introduce ourselves. Our mission is to advise customers on how to manage their data lifecycle in the most effective and secure way to build a competitive advantage in their business. We are an integrator, and we provide end-to-end service from design to implementation and maintenance of modern data architectures. As Jeff mentioned, we are headquartered in Warsaw, Poland, but in the United States, we are based in New York. We've been an Oracle partner for 10 years, and we completed over 85% of all GoldenGate implementations in Poland. We were also the first company in the world to be certified for GoldenGate 12C. I think it's fair to say we are GoldenGate implementation experts. And as for streaming analytics, we are currently working on an interesting project for a universal bank with 4 million customers. They will be using the analytics for their CRM. As you can see, we are an engineering company. Out of all people on board, most of them are engineers, very specialized and certified by Oracle. So why do our clients use GoldenGate, and what does working with GoldenGate look like from our perspective? The first reason is business continuity. For us, GoldenGate allows us to work fully behind the scenes. For each project, our goal is to deliver the results without our work being visible from the business side. With GoldenGate, we are able to support our customers regardless of where they are on their way to, on their journey to a fully data-driven enterprise. So if there are data silos, legacy systems, outdated infrastructure, with GoldenGate, we are able to help our clients make the leap straight to the heavy load modern solutions like ML or big data analytics. For our clients in the highly regulated industries like banking or government, what is important is the level of data security and compliance that GoldenGate can provide. And finally, it is a very versatile tool. It covers a multitude of business cases. And just to mention some of them that we have covered with our implementations, there's the zero downtime migration for and also for the zero downtime upgrades. We can create with GoldenGate, we can create testing environments that not only allow to check for errors, but also test efficiency and remain fully compliant with regulations like HIPAA, the California Privacy Rights Act, or GDPR. GoldenGate, being format, technology, and source agnostic, allows us to create real-time data pipelines and data streams from any source to any target. And for multi-entity organizations and businesses that have recently merged, we are able to perform cross-enterprise data integrations. The last case that's, I think, also very interesting is rapid disaster recovery with active data replication. This is one used by one of our utility clients. In case of failure of one database, the other one seamlessly takes over, and the failure is not even perceptible from the business side. GoldenGate's versatility also shows in the verticals that we use this tool in, from financial services to telecom, production companies, utility companies, oil and gas, retail, to logistics. And for our first case, this is P4, Play Mobile operator. They are part of the French company Iliad. This is the largest cellular network in Poland. They have 16 million customers. And their objective for this project was migrating their billing system. And the system wasn't the only part migrated. It was a multi-layer, multi-level migration from hardware to databases, the application and the business processes. This was all done within one project. And as you can imagine, the billing system is key to this company. It cannot go offline at any point of this whole process. So with GoldenGate, we were able to fully monitor the replication process for errors, to reduce the risk of any errors. And we were able to transfer 10 terabytes of data without any downtime. So the system, during this whole process, the system never went offline. It didn't lose any data. And from the business side, the migration was invisible. Our next case is PaySafe. They are an international payment provider. They support over 200 different types of payments. They are located, they have 16 global locations. And for this project, their goal was better protecting their assets. Their anti-fraud system was located in Munich, Germany, and the databases containing the transactions were located in Sofia, Bulgaria. In order to, so transferring all of that data took anywhere from 8 seconds to even 4 minutes. That is plenty of time for fraud to happen and for assets to be at risk. And they challenged us to speed it up to 1 second. As you can imagine, this was a very exciting challenge. And what we were able to do for this project is to integrate data from multiple databases, transform it on the fly, and deliver it over a distance of 800 miles in 1.2 seconds. What this means on the business side for PaySafe is that they can react to any fraud attempts very quickly. They can better protect their assets and cut their financial losses. Our next case is the National Bank of Poland. This is Poland's central bank. They are in charge of the Polish currency. They also represent the country in EU structures. They have 12 nationwide locations. And the challenge for this project was their BI system. So the BI system was overloaded and it was very slow. And within this project, we implemented Oracle Business Intelligence. And with GoldenGate, we were able to move some of the reporting logic to GoldenGate, which significantly offloaded the BI and it sped up the whole process. In fact, currently the bank is working with real-time data, and they have a very sound source of information to work with for business decisions. We are very proud of this project. This is a government entity, and with conflicts in the region, it is a crucial thing for them to be able to have all the information they need. And the last case for today is a data grid for Santander Bank. You might be familiar with Santander Bank as well. They have a global presence, also in the United States and South America. So for them, this is a case we really like because of the business aspect. What they wanted to achieve is put their data to use. They were collecting a lot of data, of course, but it was being unused because it was dispersed over multiple systems and practically inaccessible. So with GoldenGate, we were able to capture the data from Oracle, MS SQL Server, IBM DB2, Informix, and centralize that data in a single repository. It was then delivered to the CRM, and with leveraging Oracle coherence, we achieved a time of 0.2 seconds or less of delivering that data. We really like this project because it illustrates what I think the data community has been talking about for a long time, that unused data is cost, and when it's put to proper use, it can generate profit. So for Santander, it allows them to react to any events in real time, to interact with customers on the base of their real-time behavior, and opens up possibilities for new business and a revenue stream. So to conclude, what's it like to work with Goldenore? As I mentioned, and Jeff mentioned also, we are present in the US market, and the way we like to start working with new customers is by providing a sample of our skills. And we do this by offering complimentary consultations that allow us to assess the initial situation and outline possible scope of a project. We are also open to proof of concept projects to not only show the technical feasibility, but also the business value behind the full implementation. We help our clients by ensuring license compliance, and we also offer training opportunities, education opportunities through reference visit with our clients. Throughout the whole process, we freely share our know-how and expertise with Oracle products. If you would like to know more, please visit our website and or just get in touch via LinkedIn. And thank you so much for having me today here, Jeff.
Sylvia, it's great to have you, and we look forward to lots of success in the US markets working with the team. So thanks for joining us today. Appreciate it.